Portia again, coming back at y'all with another YouTube video about unboxing of another wig. I told y'all guys that I was gonna come back at y'all again with the wig that I unboxed on my last video, but let's get to the logistics of it. That wig was a no-go. When I put it on my head and applied it, it was perfect at the top or whatever. It was perfect at the top. The top was real good, but the rest of the wig, like when I wore it and I had to go to school or whatever, so when I wore the wig, I wore it for about 4 or 5 hours, give or take, or whatever. And when I wore it, now the applying of the wig at the top, like the lace part in the front and all that was good or whatever, but it kept on tangling. So I was coming back again today to do another unboxing of this wig, showing y'all the other wig on my head applied. But see, what wound up happening was I took off that wig and put on this wig and brought another wig so I can do an unboxing for y'all today. So y'all can come here today and see me unbox my wig. So we still gonna have some footage going on here right now. I'm trying to get comfortable so I can be a little bit more comfortable doing this or whatever. But like I said, that wig that I wanted to show y'all how it fits in my head, it was a no-go. I have the wig right here. I'll show it to you guys. And I also will show y'all the box and stuff for this wig and the company. Because the one that I'm going to unbox and the one I got on my head come from the same company. So what I'm trying to do right now is show y'all the different companies for the wigs. And if y'all hear something in the background, excuse me, I have some neighbors that don't give a fuck about nothing. So bear with me. As much as I can edit out the noise, I will. But this is the wig that I had on today while I went to school. And like I said, when I put the lace on it in the front, the lace was okay. Like the lace for the wig, let me see. The lace for the wig was okay. This is the wig that I did the last video on with the unboxing. But as I pull the wig down, do you see? This is what it did after 4 hours of wear. Now, this is synthetic hair, but look. A wig is not supposed to, your synthetic wigs is not supposed to do this. Not straight out the box. It's not supposed to look like a shaggy wet dog straight out the box. Y'all know what I'm saying. Or whatever. So, I took that one off and I put this one on. And this one that I got on come from my local beauty mart. These people, I love them so much. They order me clothes and everything else that I want from them because I go to them a lot. And this is not sponsored. They don't give me wigs for free. I just take and go get them, and I'm just giving them a shout out because they're real good at what they do. So the wig I got on my head is this one. I'm going to come up to the camera because I don't feel like doing the up-down thing because I think I lost my footage. This is my second time doing this video. So this is it, or whatever. The wigs typically go from $29.99 all the way up to $59.99. This one that I got on my head is $49.99 or whatever. And it says it's from Hair Topic, Mega Lace Wig, Mega Lace 105. The available colors they have in this wig is 1B, 2, 99J, FB, 30, F430, D13, yeah, D613. They have OMB 1B 612. That's the one that I'm gonna show y'all. That's the unboxing of the wig that I'm doing right now. So these wigs that I'm showing y'all, it go in a series. That one that I done the video on first, I got that one from Amazon or whatnot. And yeah, girls, y'all got to be careful with these Amazon vendors because, like I said, you saw the wig. I promise you, when I took and done the unboxing on the last video, that was the first time I unboxed it. I didn't even cut off the lace when I showed y'all the wig, but as y'all can see, that don't look right. And also they have, alright, so I was at 1B612. They have OMB 1B Bug. They have OMB 1B 2730. So yeah, that's what's this in here. Like I said again, it's a real good quality of lace synthetic hair if you want it because it looks so natural or whatever, and it's not even shiny. And then on their packages, they say It says MG Mega Wig, Mega Lace, Remy Quality, Feel Me, Touch Me, Love Me. It says invisible and natural parts. This one particular that I have on my head is an L part with deep lace. And it says for the hairline, it says it's soft and natural, which I think it is because girls, I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig. And this one, like I said, was in D613. That's what this is. Mega Lace 105. So this is how the girl, I ain't gonna say girl, the woman look on the packaging. Now, we gonna get to the unboxing of the other one. Also, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit before we get to the unboxing of the wig that I came on here to unbox for y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all what's coming next on my channel, girls. So come Saturday, I think it is, I will be coming back on here with another hair tutorial. And my hair tutorial gonna be my wash day tutorial, whatever, and it gonna feature the products from the Mane Choice product. Not sponsored, y'all guys. I'm just showing y'all how I wash, deep condition, flat twist my hair out, and prep it to put on this wig that I'm about to unbox. Well, I'm going to go time by time, but after I do that, I'm going to get into logistics of me doing flat twist outs, wash and goes, how I stretch my hair, and how my hair texture look in my natural hair. Because under the wigs, I am natural. So we're going to get to this wig now. And I'm bending down to get the wig, y'all. Okay, so this is how the wig come in the box. This is the box that come with the wig. They have their logo in the middle, the sleek little V thing on the thing. They got the price on this one. This one right here, this particular unit was $59.99. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I just like these wigs. This right here, it come also with a logo on the back, and on the logo on the back it says Hair Topic Lace Wig, 100% human hair quality. Connect alone, wait, girl, I'm about to butcher this again. But it's Connect alone. We just gonna do that. It's a Hair Import INC, made in China. So this is the box, y'all. Y'all see it? This is the box. Now we're gonna get to this wig again, and then this video ain't gonna be that long because I had 17 minutes on the last video. And it got lost for some reason. Don't ask me how. I don't know what happened. It got lost. But I'm new to the YouTube, y'all. Me and Yosha. Yes. But my channel, I think it's going to be a good channel because I got a lot to say and I can talk a lot. And what better to do it than talk to the camera? Now, we get into the other wig, y'all. Y'all see it? It is 40 inches long, y'all. 40 inches. And it comes in a color OM612. Yeah. And it also says, now I'm going to put this down because I'm not about to hold this up. I'm going to show y'all the different parts of the wig, but I'm going to put the wig part down because I ain't got time for that. So, yeah, it says it's 40 inches long. Girl, I don't know how to take this off yet. I don't want to tear it off yet, but it says 40 inches long on the little thing right here. And they show how they got a little lady on there showing it, showing the wig on her head or whatever. Now it says it's 40 inches long. The picture showing 1B. Y'all need to know all that, huh? Y'all really don't. But I was about to tell y'all all that. Okay, so like I said, it's from Topic, Hair Topic. It says the same thing that it said on the other one. It says MG Mega Wigs, Mega Lace, Remy Quality. It says Touch Me. It says Feel Me, Touch Me, Love Me. It said Invisible Natural Part. Once again, it got a soft and natural part. It says Deep Lace L Part. Now, this ain't Deep Lace L Part, so somebody lied on this description because, and if I'm looking down, I'm looking at the thing, so don't think I'm trying not to look at y'all guys, but I'm looking down so I can read this. And like I said, the style is Mega Lace 134 through 40. The color is OM612. And that is the color of this wig. Now, let's get to the other part of this stuff. And it is safe up to 360 Fahrenheit for the curling iron. So you can curl this hair like I said, or we can go back to the other method that all us girls know about. Put the curlers in there and burl it in some hot water, and you'll get some curls that way. Okay, so we getting back to this wig now. Like y'all can see, it's like an ombre effect from the top. It go into, and this top look like it's 1B. It's not black, but it's like a 1B. It's like a chocolate brown, basically. That's what color the top of it, and then it just, you know, and do an ombre effect into the 612 hair or whatever. Now, if I put this hair to this hair, you can see it's slightly darker, but not all that much darker. They have the U part right here in the middle. Then it also comes with lace from ear to ear on the inside. Now, I'm going to come up a little closer because I don't think y'all can see this. And I'm going to tell y'all again. I don't want to come up too close and my thing go off because last time it went off on me, girls. Okay, so, like I said, it come with a middle part right here. I'm going to put my hand in it so y'all can see. And the lace, I'm a brown girl, so this lace right here, I wouldn't have to do nothing to it even though it's a lace front. Synthetic wig. You know, if you got a synthetic wig, you do not want to have to go bleach knots and put it in tea bags and all that to get it fit your skin color. They ain't worked all that. All that, you might as well go get your bundles. But, as I was saying, they got the middle part or whatever. The lace go from ear to ear, side to side. Now, I'm going to flip it over so I can show y'all the inside of it, the way it's made. Because it's good made. This good material. Now, as far as the wig cap size, I do not know because they don't tell you on the description or nothing. It come with 3 combs. It come with 2 on the side, from temple to temple, 2 on the side, 1 right here. It also come with a little cute thing that you put in your clothes. I don't know why. But, and it also come with the adjustable belt things that you can adjust it to your head or whatever. So, what I'm going to do with this wig is, y'all go see how this one wear on my head because, as I said, and I stated once before, I like how these wigs wear on my head because I have one on now. I'm going to back up this camera some so y'all can see me. Yeah, so I like how these wigs wear on my head. And I'm going to show y'all how this wig wear on my head when I come back with my wash day. And that's how I'm going to do it, you know, instead of just, when I make new videos, y'all going to see the wearing of the unboxing of the wigs that I put on my head. So basically, if I'm coming to y'all and I'm doing a twist out, I'm going to show y'all how to do the twist out, but y'all also going to see how whatever unboxing of the wigs that I unboxed, y'all going to see them on my head. Then y'all see my wash day and me taking it on. Now also, what I'm going to come back and do another video on is how I apply my wigs on my head. Now, I don't do all the ball methods and all this because, like I said, I am natural underneath and I'm just trying to wear the wig so I can grow my hair out. And then y'all get to see my curl pattern and the texture of my hair and stuff. So, basically, when I come back to you guys on Saturday, remember, y'all got to press like, subscribe, and share in the little bell button so y'all can see when I upload my videos and be notified when I'm getting ready to upload my posts to y'all. Now, I'm still trying to figure out YouTube, so it's going to take some getting used to, so I'm going to just tell y'all in my videos until I learn everything that I'm doing or whatever. So, basically, I'm going to come back at y'all guys Saturday this week and let y'all see my wash day because I wash my hair every week. But we're going to get to that in the other video. I'm saying too much, and if I tell y'all too much, y'all ain't going to come and watch the other video. But there was the unboxing of my wig that I told y'all, the reveal of the wig. This one how I wear on my head. And the hot mess wig that I ordered off of Amazon. So we not going to talk about that one. Y'all ain't going to see that one. But I'm going to find a way to wear that wig because I paid my money for it, girl. So I'm probably wearing it in the ponytail or something. I don't know. But yeah, Yosha coming back at y'all with that unboxing of my wig or whatever. Hopefully y'all guys like my content. And like, subscribe, and share it. And hit the little bell button so y'all can be notified when I make another video. Till next time. Me, Yosha. Y'all have a